Designers and engineers put tremendous thought into the new Accord's interior. It's about style and comfort, and how the new Accord will make you feel.
With the all-new 11th generation Accord, when you step inside, it's really spectacular. So we have this great exterior design, and then when you step inside, it really coordinates well with the exterior, which first thing you're gonna really notice is that horizontal theme. So it's very bold and wide. Everything is very laid out extremely well. We like to look at it as saying instantaneous recognition and intuitive operation. So when you get in the car, everything is right at your fingertips.
The new Accord's interior looks and feels even more upscale than the already premium interior from the previous generation.
You'll also notice how the materials, they're very high-end, very premium materials. So every touch point is a soft point. So unlike other cars where you get in, you have hard points here and there, everywhere you touch the car, it's a very soft touch point. And we also include a lot of stitching. So it's a very upscale design overall to the car itself. We also incorporate some nice piano black components with it for some nice design touches. So overall, it's a very elegant, but it's also got a sporty theme to it.
The all-new Accord is where upscale sophistication is in perfect balance with its sporty, fun-to-drive nature.
We have an all-new body stabilizing seat in the vehicle itself. It really holds the driver in to be driving. You also notice on this new car, we did away with the push-button shifter. So now we just have a shift knob on all the trims. And talking to our customers, they really like having the shift knob there because it's a more sporty feel when they're driving the car.
Accord has always led the pack with interior packaging and cargo volume.
The trunk is cavernous, so for 4 people that want to go golfing or go on a trip, ample room to put all their gear in the back. So it's one of those things about Accord that's always been so great.
The all-new 2023 Accord. Comfortably sophisticated, yet remains focused on being the most fun-to-drive mid-size sedan available.